Hi, welcome back everyone. In today's video, we will look at the other feature of the Vsub AI software, which is the quiz question video. So what is a quiz question video? Once you see it, I believe you must have seen this kind of video somewhere in TikTok or YouTube short before. So as I mentioned, the easiest way to learn how to create this type of video is always use the default. Just click on this generate. For here, there's two templates. Of course, there is different language, but I will just stick with English. And there's two templates. So let us try the first one first. So the first template is this. In future, there will be more template. And you can always customize everything in Vsub, like background image. So you can choose. So in this case, is using this. Maybe I will try a cartoon 3D. And then setting, you can always use a different voice because all these always come with a voice. And that is the powerful part of Vsub, because if we come with the voiceover, then you don't have to manually sing it. So now coming back to the question, we can start to add question, or in this case, I will just click on generate question. So this will generate some of the default question by Vsub itself. But this is actually how we actually learn it. So I'll just leave it as whatever it is. You can put in a different topic, history, and then they'll try to generate it. So let's take a look at the end result. So this is a question, and then this is the answer and the choice. But what exactly does the video output is? You can always change the question or add more question. For this type of video, you can always go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to give you a kind of question and answer. That means the question is here, and then it's a type of multiple choice, and then we'll just click continue. And for this, they'll generate the AI voice and the AI image, and then the transcript comment. I remember I selected the cartoon 3D. So let's take a look at the final result. And just wait for a couple of minutes. How long do I need to generate this? Because I'm using the default generate question, so it takes me less than 1 minute. But even if I were to go to ChatGPT and click on generate, so ChatGPT, if I were to ask ChatGPT to give me 10 questions, and I put all the question in Q&A inside Vsub, that will probably take me 3 to 5 minutes, and I'm done with it. And then the rest is just waiting for Vsub to generate the final output. So remember, if you were to do all this manually, how long do you think it will take you? If you were to find the image yourself and then add in all the text, caption, and then all the multiple choice type of question and answer, how long do you think you need? So with Vsub, it's actually a very good time saver. And then now our video is done. So this is a cartoon in 3D kind of format. So from here, you can change the speed of the voice, and the question number, we can always change the position or anything. So you can change all this. All this is all customized. But let's take a look at the video. So the video is 1 minute and 31 seconds. Let's take a look. Just part of it first.
When was the Declaration of Independence signed?
Time taking.
A. 1776. Who was the first president of the United States?
Tickling sound.
B. George Washington. Which war was fought between the North and...
Okay, so for all this, you see the bar over here, the tickling sound, all this. If you were to do it manually, how long do you think you need? You need to sync up everything, sync up all the question. This is number 3, and then image, and then ABC. Of course, you can customize how long you want. I believe the duration here is 5 seconds. You can always put it to 3 seconds, 7 seconds, or 10 seconds. It's up to you. But let me download this one and we'll see the end result at the end of this video. But for now, I'll just download the video first. So actually the rendering of this type of video is very fast. It just takes less than 1 or 2 minutes. The harder part was to actually to generate the question, but the question is always generated by ChatGPT. So it's just to put it back into Vsub. And then now we have this video. I'll download it first. And then let me go back. Since we're on a quiz video, I'll just do another one, which is a quiz master. So this is another kind of template. So I will just click on change template. Again, I will generate the question. Just now I use history. So now which topic do we want? I don't know if I put country. Will you have any question related to country? Yes, there is country, but I actually wanted to go to the setting, the background image. Just now I'm using the cartoon 3D, so now I want to use another one. Let's try the comic. So the template, the background image, I'm selecting the comic. The template is this one, and then this is a question. So which country is known as land of what? Land of the rising sun, Japan. And then which country is this? Okay, now let's click continue. Same thing, you will create the AI voice, AI image, and this time is on comic, right? Yes, I selected comic. So let's take a look at the output result. If you have to do this manually, imagine how you are going to create a comic. The comic kind of image, and then the Q&A, the tickling sound, the voiceover, and all this is done by Vsub easily. In fact, even for a newbie, you can do it. And then you can, once the video is done, all you need to do is to optimize your keyword, SEO, and then you can publish it to YouTube Shorts or even to TikTok video. Okay, while we are waiting for this, let us take a look at the first video that we created. I'll let you enjoy the first
When
video.
was the Declaration of Independence signed? A. 1776. Who was the first president of the United States? B. George Washington. Which war was fought between the North and South in the United States? B. Civil War. The ancient Egyptian civilization was located along which river? A. Nile River. Who was the leader of the Soviet Union during World War II? B. Joseph Stalin. Which event marked the end of the Middle Ages in Europe? A. Renaissance. Who was the first female Prime Minister of the United Kingdom? A. Margaret Thatcher. What famous document did Susan B. Anthony fight for women's suffrage in the United States? B. Declaration of Sentiments. During which dynasty was the Great Wall of China built? A. Qin Dynasty. Which ancient civilization is known for the invention of the wheel? C. Sumerians.
Okay, so this is the first video that we created. This is sort of a multiple choice kind of video. And right now, this is done. So this is 1 minute and 18 seconds. Let's just take a preview of it just for a short while first, and before I show you the end result.
Country is known as the Land of the Rising Sun. Japan. Which country is famous for its tulips and windmills? Netherlands.
So we can see from here, This one is not a multiple choice, but you have to give it the answer, and it go from easy, medium, hard to expert. So you start with this easy, and then the question is
Country is home to the Great Barrier Reef.
on this side. And okay,
Australia.
okay, so this is how we do it. And let me just download this video first, because I want to show you at the end of it. In fact, you for this kind of quiz video, you don't even have to go to the ChatGPT, because you can just type in the topic that you want when you are generating the quiz video, and they will just propagate the Q&A for you. Because the Vsub has some of the ChatGPT built in into their AI tools. So you can see that there's no pause in my video, and I've just generated this video. And I download this one first, and going back, because when you want to generate a question, let's say you choose this template is a multiple choice, because it shows you the multiple choice, and then this one is just go from easy, medium, hard to expert. So when you come to here and you generate a topic, for this you don't even have to go to ChatGPT. You can just type in the topic that you want, and then the question will come out. I'm sure you have seen this kind of video in YouTube Shorts and TikTok before. So let us enjoy the second video.
Which country is known as the Land of the Rising Sun? Japan. Which country is famous for its tulips and windmills? Netherlands. Which country is home to the Great Barrier Reef? Australia. Which country is located in both Europe and Asia? Russia. Which country is famous for its pyramids? Egypt. Which country is known for its delicious chocolate and waffles? Belgium. Which country is home to the famous Machu Picchu ruins? Peru. Which country is the largest by land area? Russia. Which country is known as the Pearl of Africa? Uganda. Which country is famous for its fjords and Viking history? Norway.
So as you can see, this is how easy it is to generate a quiz video. And if you look at it, because I choose a comic style, so every time a question is asked, there's a picture here, and then this is quite standard, and then there is a cartoon figure over here every time a question is being asked. So imagine if you were to do it manually, then how many images are you going to generate? And with this Vsub, everything is done in less than 5 minutes. So with that, I end the tutorial for Vsub on the quiz video. So the next video, we are going to look at the Reddit story. And I'll see you on the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.